Hi guys, this is Anil Bishoy and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, in previous social issues, we have discussed many social issues, and today we will discuss another very important aspect of social issue, that is population explosion. Since it's a vast topic, we will try to cover it in 2 or 3 videos. Let's start today's discussion. Population explosion in India. There are two main common causes leading to overpopulation in India. The birth rate is still higher than the death rate. We have been successful in declining the death rates, but the same cannot be said for birth rates. In India, why the population explosion is happening? There are two major factors which we are discussing now. The first one is high birth rate and low death rate. Due to advance in technology and the rapid increase of education, the death rate has come down and the birth rate has remained high. That is the reason why when there is high birth rate and low death rate, the gap becomes population explosion. Then the fertility rate due to the population policies and other measures has been falling, but even then it is much higher compared to the other countries. Though the fertility rate has come down in our country, but it is still higher than some of the most advanced countries. Then, social causes for population explosion in India. In India, there are reasons for which population explosion is happening, and there are some social and very strong social beliefs which are making this population explosion a reality. So let's discuss what are the social reasons. Early marriage and universal marriage system. Even though the marriageable age of a girl is legally 18 years, the concept of early marriage still prevails. Getting a girl getting married at young age prolongs the childbearing age. What happens when there is early marriage? The childbearing age has become prolonged, and that leads to population explosion. In India, marriage is a sacred obligation, a universal practice where almost every woman married at reproductive age. In India, what happens? Maximum of the women are being married at the reproductive age. That leads to increase in population. Previously, in India there was a prevailing of child marriage, but due to stringent measures taken by the government, the child marriage has come down, but still it prevails in certain pockets of India. And due to early marriage and larger childbearing age, there is increase in population in India. Then poverty and illiteracy. There is another aspect which is more important, is poverty and illiteracy. What happens? Another factor for rapid growth of population is poverty. Impoverished families have this notion that more the number of numbers then in the family, more will be the members to earn income. In poor families, there is a misconception prevailing that when there will be more in number of children, there will be more in income of the family, because these increased members will give them more income. It is not necessarily translate into income, because this kind of a thing is a misconception and lead to increase in population in India. some feel that more children are needed to look after them in old age. There is a old age belief that all those people who have more children, they will look after the parents after when they will become old. That is a total misconception. On basis of this misconception, people keep on having more children. Then some also feel hunger can cause to death to some children and hence needed more of it. Some feel due to poverty some child might die, and so they go for more and higher in number of children, and that leads to increase in population. Then India still lags behind the use of contraceptives and birth control measures. India still lags behind the use of contraceptive and birth control measures. There is a misconception and belief that it is not for us, and in that particular belief people have more children. Many of them are not willing to discuss or they are unaware of them. Thus illiteracy is another a cause of overpopulation. Because of this kind of a belief in India, the population increase go on. Then age-old cultural norms. There are certain age-old cultural norms which make people to go for a male child. Sons are breadwinners of the families in India. This age-old thought puts considerable pressure on the parents to produce children till a male child is born. There is a misconception prevailing in the people of India, and the cultural belief is sons are the bread earners, and in some cases sons do the rituals which the daughters cannot do. And this particular belief leads to go for a male child till they keep on giving birth to children, and in this particular process they increase the population. Illegal migration, it is another very important region of overpopulation in India. Continuous illegal migration from Bangladesh and Nepal. These are the two countries which we are having porous border, and due to porous borders with Bangladesh and Nepal, people will generally enter inside and increase the population of India. In other side, we will discuss about what are the impacts of overpopulation or population explosion. Friends, coming to this part of discussion, effects of overpopulation. Even after 70 years of Indian independence, the scenario of our country is not good due to overpopulation. Effects of overpopulation are as follows. Because population increase, what happens? It creates lots of stress in the existing resources. That is the reason why India's development and standard of living is not able to catch up with some of our developed nations, some of the developed nations of the West. Now, unemployment. Generating employment for a huge population for a country like India is very difficult. Generating employment for a huge country like India is very challenging task. The number of illiterate persons increase every year. The number of illiterate persons also increase. Thus, unemployment rate is showing an increased trend. When number of unemployed people increase, that shows a rising trend in the unemployment. Then, manpower utilization. The number of jobless people is on the rise in India due to economic depression, slow business development, and expansion of activities. These are the three reasons for which the poor manpower utilization happen, and thus the impact on the economy as well as the other things happen. Then pressure on infrastructure. Development of infrastructural activities is unfortunately not keeping pace with the growth of population. The growth of population happened, but we are not able to enhance our infrastructural capacity, for which India's infrastructure remains in the poor condition. The result is lack of transportation, communication, housing, education, healthcare. The infrastructural sectors are this: transportation, communication, housing, education and healthcare. Because the population increase, we are not able to provide infrastructure to the increased population, this kind of infrastructure, for which we live in a poor infrastructure condition. There has been an increase in the number of slums, overcrowded houses, traffic congestion. Why we need more overbridges? Because traffic congestion happen, and when there is more traffic congestion, we need more overbridges. And if population explosion happen, we are unable to provide the good roads and traffic free, congestion free traffic. Then resource utilization: land areas, water resources, forests are overexploited. These are the things which are overexploited due to population explosion. There is also scarcity of resources. When increase the population, then the scarcity of resources, because resources are limited. When there is increase in population, the increased population will not be having this kind of a facility to stay in that kind of a resource richness. Then decreased production and increased cost. Food production and distribution have not been able to catch up with the increasing population, and hence cost of production have increased. The cost of production have increased. Inflation is the major consequence of the overpopulation. What happens when there is increase in population and the items are limited? Then there is increase in inflation, and increase in inflation also impacts on the population. Then inequitable income distribution: when there is increase in population happen, there is unequal distribution of resources, the income. In the face of an increasing population, an unequal distribution of income and inequality within the country widen. What happens when there is increase in population? The income distribution cannot happen simultaneously, and there exists a unequal distribution of income. This is the thing which are happening in population explosion. And to help you, I am giving you UMPRDI. You remember is that UMPRDI. U for unemployment, then M for manpower utilization, P for pressure on infrastructure, R for resource utilization, D for decreased production of and increased costs, and I for inequitable income distribution. And with this we came to the end of this video. If you liked today's video, then do give me a thumbs up. And sir and ma'am, if you are watching our video for the first time, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.